Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTut, your go-to channel for data science and artificial intelligence. If you want to learn new skills on Coursera but can't pay for the certificate, don't worry. I am here to help you out. In this video, I will show you step by step how to apply for financial aid. So you can join Coursera courses for free and still get a certificate at the end. So let's jump right into it. First, go to Coursera and log in. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Then search for the course you want to learn, like Python, machine learning, data analytics, or anything else. Once you find a course you like, click on it to open the course page. You will see a button that says enroll for free, but don't click it yet. Instead, scroll down to the bottom of the page. After the FAQ section, you will find an option that says financial aid available. Click on Learn More. A form will open where you need to confirm the course name and click Continue to the application. Now you will be given some basic questions like your education, your income, if you are working, and why you want this financial aid. You will need to write your answer in about 150 words. If you are a student or someone looking for a job, you can say that you want to learn new skills to improve your chances of getting hired, but you can't afford to pay right now. Just explain your situation honestly. If you are not sure what to write, I have shared sample answers in my blog that you can copy or change based on your goals. You can find the blog link in the description. After filling the details, click Next. Then you will see a question about how much you can pay for the course. You can type any amount or just type 0 if you can't pay. After that, there is one more question: how this course will help you reach your goals. Again, write about 150 words. I have also shared an example for this in my blog to make it easier for you. You just need to change the course name and details based on the one you are applying for. After that, agree to the terms and conditions, click review, and finally hit the submit application button. Once you submit, you will see a message saying your application is under review. It usually takes around 15 days. In a few minutes, you will get an email saying your financial aid application has been received. It will also include a timeline for when you will hear back about whether your application is approved or not. So that's the simple process to apply for Coursera Financial Aid. Many people ask me, can you apply for more than one course? Yes, you can. Just apply for each one by one. And yes, you will get a certificate for each course you complete. So that's how you can apply for Coursera Financial Aid. It's a great way to keep learning, even if money is a problem right now. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.